I have been in this community my whole life, 45 years. I've never seen it like this.
Water was up to my neck around the house.
The Met Service has confirmed that yesterday was Auckland's wettest day on record. And having just surveyed some of the extensive damage, both on the ground and in the air, it's clear that it's going to be a big clean-up job. This is an unprecedented event in recent memory. In the aftermath, we will have plenty of time to evaluate the response and ensure that all appropriate actions and communications have occurred in a timely way. But for now, our focus is on making sure that we support Aucklanders through this.